the X-lite Pro. I'm really excited. Let's cut her open. See what we've got here. It's the normal Frsky box, and let's cut this open. Okay, box within a box. There. Little seal. Okay. There it is. Nothing in the box other than this. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright. So, get the free 18650 caps, which is awesome. Be throwing this away. Okay. Let's pull this out of here. Ooh, nice and fresh. It smells like new electronics. Let's throw these in the trash. Alright. So we get some stuff. Get some more things in here, papers, and throw it in the trash. No, just joking. Somebody did say that with these on, which we'll see what these are. Take these off. Put these on. There. Ooh. I think that they stay on there just as good as the other ones do. And it does fit. Here's the other case for the original X-lite. And it's just for comparison. It looks like it is a little bigger. I could always just kind of put it in there like that and close it. It would close. But it is nice to have it a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's enough about the case. I will not be using that because I have something else for it. There's no mode selected, so I'll have to do that. Double position, the switches feel kind of nice. Have a little different sound. Yeah, I mean that feels alright. A little bit different sound. Okay, so it comes with heat shrink to put over the switches here. Some sort of set screw type thing, and the plugs for him back here. Now I guess before I get too far into it, I'd like to unveil my new cover for the X-lite. So it just kind of clips on, and this is the new version. It's been on Thingiverse. The first version was on Thingiverse, and this is the new and improved one. It's got one here for this guy. See how this looks. Put this on there, and let's take a second to stretch out and get in there. Okay, there we go. In order for these to stay on there, gotta hook them. All right. So, as far as differences go, they feel kind of the same. Yeah. Momentary buttons. I want to check those out. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, those are nice. Now, let's see what we've got as far as adjustments back here. While I'm flipping this over, let's grab this cover here. So I don't mess up my, my gimbals right off the bat. Alright, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where would you adjust the spring tension? I'm not sure. So that looks like a hex head. And it looks like about this. Okay. Oops, not that one. Okay, so that one is in there. So I don't have to remove that one. I'll probably pop this one in there. And it's not doing anything yet. Okay. And oh, there we go. Now it's floppy. And I think this one here, maybe the tension, because I don't want it to be super floppy like that. And tighten her up. And that's this one, by the way. So, oh, there we go. Boom. Okay. So that looks pretty good. It's not too floppy. But not, so it's not gonna like move around, but very easy to move. And so I think I'll leave that there. And that is not, on this side, there's nothing in there. So I'm wondering if I could take this one out, since I don't use this. So I'm wondering if I can pop this one in here to adjust the spring tension, because I know that they said you could adjust the spring tension. Is tightening this really going to even do anything? And I think that that was a mistake because I just lost it inside there. Great. So looks like I got to take this thing apart. Let's grab this little thing here. Put these gimbal protectors on there, just to kind of protect them a little bit. And let's see here. So take these outer screws out. Okay. Got some weird stuff going on there. Okay. I'm not sure if I need to take these all the way out. Put one there. Take this out. And then there's none there. So, have they made it easier to take apart? Sure. So, retention clip that I'm about to bust. There. Okay. 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 That popped open there. Good. Well, oh, well, I guess that's one way to get it out. But I mean, I'm this far, might as well get it open the rest of the way. Okay, I think that's metal. Yeah. All right, so yeah, let's get a good look. Get a good look in here. See if we can see any changes. Momentary buttons. Down inside there, I don't know if I can. Yeah, you can kind of see where it goes in there. All right. So on this, looks like I didn't break anything. Didn't break anything down here. Did maybe mar it up a little bit on the corners, but yeah. All right. So make sure those go down inside there, and just pops together just like that. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Definitely different sound. However, I do have the shrink wrap on these. They are a little longer too, I think. Yeah, they are a little longer. Put these back on there. Pretty sure they redesigned the stick ends too. They're a little bit more aggressive, a little pricklier. Let's put this on there. There we go. There. Now, speaking of this, I will be offering these on eBay. I will put it on Thingiverse, and it is handy. The controller, when you put it around your neck, it does hang downward, but I'm not using it for, I mean, you can use it for support, to kind of lean on it, almost for stability, but mostly I just want to be able to let go of it and not have it fall to the ground. When you have this cover here, not only can you have some additional batteries here, you just put this on and it stays on. It stays on really well. I'll be playing with different designs for holding different things. Plus, you guys can come up with your own too as well. So that'll be great. And for those of you who don't have 3D printers, I will be selling them on eBay. And for those of you with 3D printers, I will be giving this away for free on Thingiverse. So yeah. Now, one thing to keep in mind, there are two versions. The strap for the module, which you've got a module on there. You print this one out because it goes in like that. Now, the standard version does not have a spot for the module. I like this because I don't use a module very often, and I like the feel of this. It's just feels nice. If you do print it, it prints like this, flat down on the table, on this little hook thing where the where this hooks on there. There's supports under there, so you got to print it with supports. But you clean that out, and then the first thing that I do is I bend this all the way, and then I kind of get in there with my angle cutters and clear out all of it. But make sure you get a good crease there, a good crease here, and a good crease here. So when you put it on, it kind of takes the shape of it, and doesn't hump up as much. The cover is quite a bit thicker. It takes 20 screws if you have 2 attachments. There's 6 on each. These, obviously there's kind of too many screws here, but I think it looks cool. It holds on these toppers here, the top part. So if you have longer sticks, you can print different ones of these. I have it in 4 different lengths, all the way from the shortest here, which is the stock size, up to quite a bit taller. Yeah. So overall, the first impression of the X-lite here, the X-lite Pro is pretty good. I like the black keys, and I like the feel. I'm actually gonna give these a shot. They feel pretty good. They feel a lot more grippy on my fingers than the other stock ones. Actually, pop this on, see what happens. I hope I don't get that. Okie dokie. Well. Oh my goodness, man! Was that supposed to go on there? Okay. Oh man, that's you gotta put some effort into that. Or not at all. There we go. All right. 40 minutes.